What's up, guys? This is take 136 of showing you how to turn this Shadoobie cube, which you can buy in varieties of colors and patterns, into this sphere. So first, you're going to start off with your cube, and then you're going to want to try to find the corner that has all these little lines on it for each side. And then you're just going to dig into there and pull it apart. And if you do it correctly, you should end up with a star. Okay, next you want to take all these little corners right here, and then you just want to push them in all the way. Not all the way like this, but just so they're loose, all loosey-goosey. And you want to do that for all the sides. Go in! Oh my gosh. Okay, and then when you have this, you want to find get those, you're going to have it like this. You want to try to get these pieces together. They come my way. Okay? And then you want to just kind of do that to all the sides. And then there's a chance that you might end up with this. And if you don't end up like this, you already have the ball, then that's okay. That's good. And then you did it. You can click off this video, but please don't click off this video right now, please. And then, now that we have this, but what are you going to do? You got to it's in a bit of a loop. So you need to pull it apart, and then you want to push it down again. Adding that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to be big on YouTube so then I can make a living. So please do this, and then it'd make me happy. Just give it a view or a like or anything so I can subscribe. Thank you for watching.